Hello everyone, welcome to Shree's Gallery. I am Bindu Shree. Today I am unboxing this new Borosil lunchbox which I bought from Flipkart. So let's open it. So the lunchbox is placed inside this box. Here is the bill. They have placed the bill over here. This lunchbox model comes under the Foodlux series and it is a set of 3 round bottom lunchboxes or round shaped lunchboxes, each of 400 ml in capacity. On this box you can see it is mentioned as green in color because the lunchbox comes in green color, and you can see the features of this lunch boxes like it is microwavable, like it is microwave safe. You can keep it inside microwave and heat the food before having it. It is mentioned in the bottom of this box like it is microwave proof, oven proof, dishwasher proof, means you won't get scratches on the dish once you wash it. It's freezer proof and you can stack it one above the other. It's stackable. Let me open the box now to see the lunch bag inside. It seems to be kind of dark ash color, but then okay, it's placed upside down. And you can see the belt is green in color and the lid of the bag is green in color. It is labeled Borosil in the middle. The material is good. So let's open this up. There is a zip given here to open it. So let's open. Okay, there is a card inside this. There is another card over here which is warranty card. It is not filled. It's empty. Now let's take out the lunch boxes one by one. There's one box, the second one, and then the bottom there's the third one. Inside the bag you can see there is a elastic band to place the spoon. You can place spoon over there, and at the lid there is a net partition where you can keep any hand key or tissue paper as such. This strap is adjustable. You can adjust the length of this strap to whichever length you are comfortable to carry it. Coming over to the box, it's round in shape as mentioned earlier on the box, and you can see the height of the box. It says it's 400 ml capacity. It's nicely packed with plastic cover, and the lid is plastic, so you cannot microwave it. It has gasket which makes it leak proof and airtight. It's easily removable to wash whenever required, so it's very easy to clean after you remove this gasket. The lid is quite okay. Now coming over to the box, it is also covered with a plastic cover. There is a paper. Let me remove it. This bowl is 100% borosilicate. It's so beautiful. It has got some weight as well. Same thing goes with the rest of the boxes. Both are 400 ml capacity boxes. So totally it is 1200 ml capacity altogether. It is said in the specification that it is spill proof, so let me check it once. Let me pour some water inside this lunch box and close the lid and check it, because if we carry gravy or sambar, it shouldn't spill out of the box. So let me close the lid now. Secure it with the clips. Okay. Oh wow, it's spill proof. It's leak proof and not even a single drop is out of the box. We can easily carry gravy, sambar or any liquid food item. Now let me place all these boxes inside the lunch bag once. Be careful if you are keeping any liquid food item in the topmost box, because chances are there that the lid gets open. So always keep it in the middle or bottom. It would be better. As I said earlier, there is a space to keep the spoon as well. So I am placing the spoon inside that band. With all the lunch boxes inside the bag, it's quite weighted. It was priced rupees 940 and I bought it for rupees 893 after using my super coins. So that is it guys, I gave a review on this lunch box. If you like it, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share it among your buddies.